ask you a question? How deep do your roots grow? This is Stephen Price with Grow Together, and I want to talk about just that, roots. As I plant the plants, I'm looking for the roots on those plants because sometimes I start out with a cutting where there's no roots at all. And then as I see the roots beginning to grow, I put it in a pot, uh, kind of like this one right here, okay? And as that grows, I move it into one and it begins to look like this right here. Now, isn't that pretty? I think so. Uh, but we all grow our roots, and our roots need to grow in our relationships because that's important. The deeper the roots, the stronger the relationship. Some roots grow very deep. When we had these plants right here, we were looking at, when we picked them up, I noticed the roots were growing completely out of the pot. Boy, that's a growing, healthy plant. Well, how's our life going? Are we growing in our relationship with the Lord? Because as we do that, we get to know Him a whole lot better. See, it's one thing to know God, it's another thing to grow in God. And that's what we're told in Colossians. What Paul wanted his people to know was grow in the Lord. You know how we do that? We do that in our relationship with other people. We do that in our Bible studies. We do that through prayer. We just grow. We just get so interested in what God has to say. Boy, I want that relationship for you. If you desire a relationship and to know the Lord in a deeper way and grow deep roots, man, just let me know. I'll be more than glad to share you on what God's done in my life. Hey, grow deep roots. This is Stephen Price on Grow Together, and anything's possible with God.